Hi guys, I'm Zeno, founder at Spellar AI. Imagine you have an AI meeting companion who remembers every your meeting. Step 1. Let's start recording. Click here. You can ask about everything and get real-time answers, or just taking notes during a meeting. Back here, you can see all your meetings in one place. All today, this week, or started. You get clear, structured notes from every meeting and can easily export them to your workflow tools. You can prepare for upcoming meetings, listen to the full transcript, capture action items, or just ask anything about the call. So, yep, it's like your personal meetings memory. Organize your meetings in folders. For example, team meetings. Move by folders or just create a new folder. This helps you keep everything structured and easy to navigate. Click to templates and customize your summaries. Or create a new one for meeting type, for example. So depending on your use case, sales, product, hiring, you can create templates and get exactly the format you need. Let me show a weekly recap feature. With one click, you get a weekly overview of everything that happened across your meetings. Export or share, so you instantly see the big picture. And this is one of the most powerful parts. We have a built-in AI chat. You just focus on the conversation. Spellar handles the rest. It remembers everything, so you don't have to. Click on Settings. You can choose the color what you like the most. Spellar offers a wide range of settings, allowing you to customize everything and make an app truly comfortable to your needs. So yeah, that's Spellar. It helps you stop losing information from meetings with your personal meeting companion.